to make this quick video for Solomon and for the Telegram group. I am signed up for the copy trading. And just to show you, I have a little over $1,000 accounts, as you can see. And this is a live account. And today alone, he's made nearly 10% on the accounts. Now, I bought the course as well, but because of, I just don't have, right now, I don't have the time to really look at the charts and just be on my computer because of other things. I just signed up for the copy trading and it's already working. So the system works. There's nothing else like this out there. If you don't have time to trade or you just don't want to learn, I highly suggest that you sign up for the copy trading because this works and it will compound your account so quickly. And there's nothing else like this out there. Everyone else uses the stop loss. Everyone else uses the same regurgitated garbage. Okay, if you want to finally start making money and if you don't have the time, you can literally sign up for the price he's charging is nothing. It's pennies compared to the value you get. So sign up.
Hey sir, this is Aziz. How are you? I wish you're fine and most importantly in good health. So I'm just here to tell you that the new system is brutally good. I got in a sideways for 3 days and I was waiting. I can send you the dates of the Euro USD when it went in a big sideway the last week, and guess what? I got drawdown 3%. It's brutally good. It gives me confidence immortal. Anyways, just kleine Frage, we say in German, just small question for the Hola Prime. I'm interested to start it. How much do you prefer I do a lot size to be to not broke a rule, like I don't get under 3% and overall 6%? If I take the account of $10,000 or euros, how much lot size I do that you did and you felt secure you will not break a rule with it? 1 over 10,000 or 1 over 20,000, or how is it going with this Hola Prime, so I can be secure and not lose my test? Thank you. But in the system I can't do this. I just block the profit with buying the same lot and keep waiting for the morning. But here no, every move the market do, we can benefit from this. We just take one consolidation, blocked consolidation, and take it out with also this little move of the market, the profit that she did. So every time another consolidation got out, hedged until it's all break even, that big hedge. It's really perfect, sir. This is making me more and more less stressed because the market is so bad now, and if I'm gonna get out from this, I will get the biggest confidence on earth. But in the old system I can't do this. I just block the profit with buying the same lot and keep waiting for the morning. But here no, every move the market do, we can benefit from this. We just take one consolidation, blocked consolidation, and take it out with also this little move of the market, the profit that she did. So every time another consolidation got out, hedged until it's all break even, that big hedge. It's really perfect, sir. This is making me more and more less stressed because the market is so bad now, and if I'm gonna get out from this, I will get the biggest confidence on earth. Hey, how are you? So, news for update for the hedging, the new hedging. So, as you can see, the Euro USD was so weird the last week. So I tried to get out, but it was sideways all days. I just blocked him. After 10% drawdown, I blocked it and went to USD JPY. In 1 day, all what I was waiting for in 1 day done today. So the new hedging system can give me any move in the market, make me get out from some sideways, blocked sideways, and also can make me hedge in multiple pairs. If I see a good moving pair, I can just hedge in it and done. I go back to zero.
Hello, beautiful people. As you can see, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. the one and only trader who trades live, the one and only trader who teaches live, okay? The one and only trader who live streams his trades, whether it's scalping, hedging, swing trading, just like this account that I'm about to make a withdrawal on. So as you can remember, I've been live streaming this account on the channel for about almost 7 months, about 7 months so far. And yeah, I've been taking profits little by little, closing out trades. You know, it's just one of the accounts that I trade. I also have another account. I've closed out all my profits. As you can see on this account, we have over $900,000 profits. All right, we've made some withdrawals already. So if you check the account history, these are just some of the trades that we've taken. Sometimes I wanted to scalp. When I was live streaming, I would scalp like USD JPY, or when I was hedging, I would live stream that also. So I usually use USD JPY for some of the live streams. And yeah, when I leave the account and when I'm trading privately, I tend to trade more of more pairs like Euro USD, gold, for example, this. So I usually have an account for each type of trading that I'm doing. Or sometimes I just mix and match it. Yeah, so these are some of the trades. We've made some withdrawals, and I'm about to make another $100,000 withdrawal already, right? So you guys have seen this. We started this with 50,000. We've made over 200K in withdrawals, about to make another 100K in withdrawals. And yeah, it took some time. You know, sometimes the market went down, I had to sell. Sometimes the market went up, I had to buy. Sometimes the market went down or up again, I had to re-enter another trade. So that's why you see some of these lot sizes. And when I'm about to take profits, I just usually take partial profits. Okay, so the last time I took some partial profits here, I didn't record it. I recorded it on my phone. It should be replaying somewhere here. Over and over and over again when I took the profits. And I'm about to make another withdrawal also. Okay, the broker that I've been using is Duramarkets. We'll talk about it more later, because I'm going to log into the dashboard and talk about show you actually how to do the withdrawal, or how I'm making my withdrawal. You know, every time I make a withdrawal, especially on the swing trade accounts, I always show you guys. For the copy trade, I just do it privately with the people in the copy trade, and I also tell you how you'll be able to make extra money if you join the copy trade passively, okay, without doing anything, monthly. So for now, let's see. Let's check the copy trade account first before we actually go into the Duramarkets dashboard. All right. So where were we? Yeah. So these are some of the trades that we've taken on the copy trade account. That means if you started with the copy, you started the copy trade in May, right? Sorry, March. We started it in March or April. We started this month actually, so it's April. So yeah, we started the copy trade in April. Throughout so many delays, some people saying they want to join, they didn't want to join. So I just said, okay, we have a lot of people already waiting. Let's just all start at once. So far on the copy trade, we've been taking scalp trades, we've been hedging. Look at all the trades we've been taking on the copy trade account. If everybody who started with me on the copy trade have this exact trade copied on their account, okay, by this time, they've already made the money that they pay monthly for the copy trade plus some extra profits, okay? The more money you have, the more money you make. The copy trade is not, oh, I'm going to take $100 and turn it to $1 million. I also have my accounts and my funds that I'm trading, okay? As you can see, I'm gonna blow out the rest. This is my personal fund right here, okay? This is my personal fund right there. Now, how much have we made so far? So let's scroll down, look at all these trades that we've taken, still scrolling. You could have made all these profits. If you are the kind of person that you have a job, you're trying to use trading to quit your job, you're not going to have time to trade. You need time. Trades can come any time of the day. Asian session, New York session, London session, whatever session, it doesn't matter. The trades can come any time of the day. And if you want to take it full time, you have to be available every single time. You don't have to quit your trade. Just simply set your copy trade and make profits. Slowly compound, then slowly navigate through quitting your job. Don't just think, oh, overnight and I'm going to start trading. Okay? If you don't have the time, you're going to school, you have a job, you are very busy, you are traveling, the copy trade is best for you. Okay? Some people, they don't even like trading. Let's be honest. They just want to make money. right? Even if you teach them, they will still not be able to find the time, they will not find the interest. You have to like trading. You have to be able to sit down on this chart for 3 days straight and not be bored. Because anything can happen in a split second. So you must be interested in it. If you don't have the love for trading, if you are not really interested in trading, even if you have the right strategy, you may not be successful. Because every day you have to be able to adapt. You have to be able to adapt to changes. Obviously, the market doesn't move the same way every single day. That means you are adapting and changing, adapting every day. Because if you was doing the same thing every day, or even twice a day, or even twice a year, people would say, okay, this is happening, boom, boom, boom. You know, you have to understand how the market is working, how the market is moving, and you have to be able to have the emotions, okay? The emotional restraint to understand that this is real money and your personal feelings don't matter in trading. A lot of people, they'll say, oh, it must be a buy. I did the analysis, I did the strategy. I want it to be a buy because if it is a buy, it favors me. And then the market shows that it's selling and they still buy. That is your emotion. That is your bias. Same thing for a sell. I want it to be a sell because it's favoring me. I'm already in a drawdown. I'm already in a sell trade and I made some profit and now it's pulling back. It's showing signs of buying. You have to remove your interest, remove your emotion because you don't control them. And if you are not ready or you don't want the stress of doing this or you cannot do it because you have to tell yourself the truth. You can't even lie to yourself in trading. If you're not a good trader, you will lose your money. So you can't even lie to yourself. So if you know you can't do it, settle for the copy trade and make money passively. And if you're in the copy trade, what you will have is results, okay? Live results that most people don't give. I don't understand how you guys pay people money to teach you how to trade, but these people don't trade live in front of you when they are teaching you. People do this. Now ask yourself, does that make any sense? But it's your choice, it's your money. When you have the copy trade, you will have live results. It doesn't matter what your account size is. But like I said, the more money you have, the more money you make. Plain and simple. Okay? The more money you have, the less the monthly fee looks to you. It will just be like, you know, a needle in the sea compared to how much you are making. Anyways, so when you have live results, for each person you join to the copy trade, I will pay you $25 a month. Okay, let's look at the results. Let's look at how much we've made. I'll pay you $25 a month. So if you bring 10 people every month, you will be paid $250. If you bring 100 people to the copy trade, every month you'll be paid $2,500 every single month. Okay, so this is like an affiliate fee on me to you that I will be paying you guaranteed every month. That is another way for you to make passive income. You have a live account, so you can literally have a $2,000 account. As long as you're making profit on that, if you bring 100 people, that's another $2,500 on the side you are making monthly. So you don't need to just trade. You can make extra money. You don't need to limit yourself. You say, oh, I just need to make $500 a month. Why stop there? Why not make $2,500 passively? If you bring 1,000 people, that's $25,000 a month. And this is not some kind of scheme like it's a pyramid scheme. As long as people are paying their fees because they are making money, you just get the percentage of that fee. Plain and simple. Plain and simple. You don't have to invest anything. Just bring people. That's the affiliate commission. Okay? And as long as you're making money on your account, you can show your friends, you can show people, look, I'm joining this copy trade, right? I'm making money here. I'm withdrawing money here, because every month you make withdrawals. You are withdrawing money here. That is your portfolio. So you guys have to think and strategize, because times are getting harder. They are doing tariff wars. They are not fighting physical wars anymore. And who is the tariff war going to hurt the most? People are making low income. Millionaires are not going to feel this. Billionaires are not going to. Okay, millionaires are going to feel it, you know. But billionaires are not really going to feel it, and they are the ones doing the battle. So the way it's getting, a lot of you may not be able to afford rent, afford to eat 3 times a day, because it's going to get worse. Inflation hasn't even started yet. Okay, so you guys have to think very smart and know what you're doing. Plan for the future. So with that being said, let's go and make a withdrawal. Okay, so on the accounts, you see that we've made how much have we made so far? Okay, on my own account, almost 60,000. Okay, so also depending on your account, the leverage you have and the risk you want, you could have made double of this already. Okay, so yeah, let's go and make a withdrawal. I'm the only one who trades live. I'm the only one who withdraws live. I'm the only one who scalps live. I'm the only one who hedges live. I even live stream it. When I teach people, I live stream it. I show them, I share my screen on Zoom. We do it with live session. So, where were we? Yeah, so this is Duramarket, the broker that I use. Okay. Yeah, they give me 1 to 1,000 leverage. Some people say, oh, I want to use this broker because this, I want to use this broker because that. Every broker has what they want from you, which is commissions. That is where brokers make money. So the more you trade, the more you are live, the more, and when I say alive, it sounded like alive. The more you are trading live, that means you are paying them commissions, and that's where brokers make money. Okay, so the more your account lasts, the more money you are making, the more trades you are making, the more money you are making the broker. So all this nonsense about them targeting your stops, then all the brokers in the world are targeting your stops. Do they know you? They don't know you. Okay, my main condition about the broker is they pay me my withdrawals. Okay, there's a broker that I told somebody to use, to not use, and to use my broker. They deposited with bank deposits. It's been over 2 weeks. The broker has delayed them with verification. The broker has sent them emails that, oh, they need to confirm, because once you make a withdrawal, you expect to receive your withdrawal, right? These ones, they'll send you an email and they want you to click to make a withdrawal. So days might pass and you might not know that they sent you that email, right? And what happens? You forget, you ask them, they say, oh, you didn't confirm. Now, that's 3 days you've wasted. You are waiting for another 3 days to get your bank withdrawal, right? They won't count bank holidays. They won't count as weekends as days to make the payments. They'll count only working days, making it you're entering your second week or your withdrawal being processed, right? Now, if you put anything wrong, they won't send it. It's entering 3 weeks. Let's say you got your name wrong. Let's say it's just you're meant to put the short version of your name and you put the long version. Any tiny mistake, and it can enter 3 weeks before you get your withdrawal. With Duramarkets, I get my withdrawals within 1 to 2 hours. Okay, and how can you deposit? Right? Where is it? You can deposit and withdraw with crypto. I simply get my withdrawal within 1 to 2 hours, and I'll show you. Anyways. So you can deposit in crypto, you can withdraw in crypto, USDT, LTE, LTC, which is Litecoin, Bitcoin, USDC, USDT. And not just that, they give me leverage. Leverage is very good when it comes to hedging, right? I have low commissions. You can get swap-free accounts by just requesting for it. Okay, so what is there not to use in Duramarkets? I'm telling you the best trading conditions for you. Plain and simple. Anyone who gives you a lower trading condition doesn't want you to succeed. He's trying to make it hard for you to succeed. Plain and simple. I'm telling you the best trading conditions. And if you have a swap-free account, you simply don't pay swaps. You pay in your spreads. Plain and simple. Giving you the best trading conditions. But people always want to do what they want to do. And when they lose, maybe because the broker is not making their withdrawals, or during those 2 to 3 weeks, imagine how much you would have made already. So they've basically lost you money. Imagine that person that tried to join the copy trade that joined 2-3 weeks ago when we started. Do you know how much she would have made? So they've lost her money. This is why I always say, use the brokers that are paying you, not the brokers that, they have all these certificates and whatever, because they can use that as a way to delay everything and make you lose. Plain and simple. Okay? anyways, with that being said, the course will be closing soon. I'll leave only the in-person course. That means you can come and meet me in person, but every other course they will be closing soon. I've been taking it closer and closer, so maybe I'll end the course this time in May. You know, maybe in May. Actually, more likely in May. Before I said the end of this year, then I said September, then I said August, then I moved it to July, June, or May. Yeah, I just want to be trading. I just want to focus on my copy trade. You want to trade, you want to make money, boom, make your monthly payments, connect to my account, copy my trade. Plain and simple. No need for much talking, you know, no need for much sitting down hours explaining. You know, I like all the connections I made, but I just like trading more. I just like to sit down, and I'm not really much of a talker, you know, unless it's something I'm interested in, you know, like trading. But yeah, let's get to it. So let me log in. Okay. And so I'm gonna use my second phone because I need to use my authenticator, right, to put in my, because that's the protection layer, right? You use your authenticator to confirm, because some people may have your login, they may have your password. Even when you're making deposits, even when you're making withdrawals, not deposit, they ask you for this, so nobody can just jump into your account and make a withdrawal. So there's protection there, okay? And there's a reason for that protection. So just 1 minute, let me get my authentication code. So it's like a two-factor system that protects you. And then we can just log in. So and there you go. So let's go to funding, withdraw. I want to withdraw in USDC. I like withdrawing in USDC. Easier for me to convert. How much do you think I should withdraw? Let's just do 110,000. 110,000. So I'm going to put in my address. 1 minute, guys. Ooh. Yeah, I have to put in my authentication code for the withdrawal also. And there you go, my withdrawal has been done. Check the withdrawals. You can see the previous withdrawals that I've made. I'm making a lot of withdrawals, and yeah, this is the latest one. So like, share, and subscribe to join the copy trade. Click the Telegram link in the description below, right? Message me copy on Telegram, and I'll tell you how to join the copy trade. Better start as fast and as soon as possible. You need a minimum of $1,000 to join. That's the bare minimum, because I'll be trading gold. And yeah, you can use the Duramarkets broker link in the description below. If you use my broker link, you also get an additional discount on the monthly copy trade. And remember, the affiliates, for each person you bring, just join the copy trade, get your results, use that as a means to build your account, right? Even if you have 1 month results, people will be able to join. 2 weeks results, 1 week results. People will want to join because they are seeing the money being printed, and when you make withdrawals, they are seeing the withdrawals being done, just like I've shown you also. Okay, and yeah, you can get people to join and also make passive income based on that. The sky is your limit. You can make $2,500 a month, that's just 100 people. $25,000 a month, that's just 1,000 people. $250,000 a month, that's just 10,000 people. Okay, so the sky is your limit on the affiliate fee. You can even take some of that money, put it more into the copy trade, and continue to make more and more and more money. Okay, use the Duramarkets link in description below. And one more thing I failed to mention was they also have a 250% deposit bonus. Okay, so even if you just want to trade yourself, you don't want to do the copy trade, you can use the 250% deposit bonus. Okay, so you can see they've already sent me an email showing that I have processed my, let me see, I've processed my withdrawal. Okay, this is showing. Okay, and in a few minutes I should get my withdrawal, and I'll record that for you also. Like, share, and subscribe. See you guys in the copy trade. Broker link in description below. And there you guys have it. My withdrawal has been processed, as you can see. Boom, boom. There you go. And let's check our MT4. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. There you go. Like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video soon. Message me copy for the copy trade on the Telegram link in the description below, and you can also use my broker link in the description below also. See you guys.